is our castle. We will pick some other people.
Thanh toán thì đơn giản, bây giờ cái duyên nó cũng ở đấy rồi. Anh Tài đấy, ở đâu? I having today is Hanoi fried spring roll. Yes, with seafood and pork. And France. Want the fry a little bit higher. The
Xong rồi, sai nhá. Làm chết người đi. Đi đi bà chụp góc đi.
phở, you don't use bún, but when you eat, it's something refer to the religion. And the majority of Vietnamese people or the dollars, and it is also Vietnamese currency in the past. They're super smart. Apparently, yes. Coffee, and you have a deeply understand about chào. Like this until this part. Melt connected together. We are going to mix it, right? Yourself.
Oh, yeah.
So now, this is the water that you need to touch your hand. Very easy. And you just keep moving, and then you keep.
For many years.
Yeah, also famous in Korea.
Yes. So beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes.
This one you can add one by one.
Go to Vietnam one day, but I think you'll be there long. Because travel and
Cái kia bác anh ngập ngừng cũng muốn bán cho nó rồi.
đâu.
Come on.
Này xong vừa lấy cái bé hơn.
Là you want to
Yes, this one.
Okay.
and then it means that it them have keep collapsing. You make the citadel building one, right? And when the military break the White House temple, Korean, right? Korean, yeah. And you can burn. Vietnam always have the belief in the odd number. That especially when we turn in the temple, you will pray by the 3 incense, and you will pray with 1, 2, and 3. Put the two hands together like this, and then pray. Oh, you just burn more, yeah.
For one person, or is it for everyone?
It's for everyone.
Oh.
Smells good, but
Not
it's
good.
not that.
Interesting.
Indochina. Many dynasty in Vietnam.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Vietnamese traditional
And-
clothes.
Yeah. And you know, in why they go cold is this house will over 100 years old. And you sometimes they will put it in this juice, so that it also have this sauce. So if you want, I will take a little bit for you. Yeah. And you will make it? Yeah, just a little. Yeah. So good. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, and you can see. If you want to try the original egg coffee, you can search.
19th century.
Yeah. That's
Oh, really? It's a bad luck, or is it like
no, it's not the bad luck, but it's a rule.
rude?
Yeah. And yeah, you just in the past, the Vietnamese people will. It means that you will take the shower in this place.
Oh.
Yeah. In
It's like similar to Korean one.
oh yeah, because but in the past they are occupied by Chinese.
We have like similar culture.
This step that you step.
Really? So you have to step this first?
1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
yeah.
So it's okay?
Okay, and the lucky in your house has the altar in.
Oh.
It is just like a chair.
Oh, like a sofa?
Yeah, like a sofa. Just for the grandparents, you know, who have the high.
So you can eat and sleep
Yeah,
both
that's
here.
right.
Oh, nice. Oh, so only girls in the kitchen and guys
Yeah,
here.
that's right.
Only, discrimination. Oh, I didn't know that. I only thought it's just like Korean culture. This is the school uniform.
Yeah.
So the first one is for the girls and the second one is for the guys?
No, it's also both of them is for the men. Do you think what is it? No.
Like expensive?
Oh, many visitors also say that, but it's not.
What is it?
It's a bag, school bag, school bag.
School bag?
Yeah. In this.
And carry this?
Yeah, and you can.
Very strong.
Yeah, that's right.
Mmm,
And
nice.
school bag. They will decorate and they're the bag kit.
Oh, like fruit.
Like in this tray, and usually in the past, and you will see they will decorate and we will.
Yeah. I want to try your favorite food.
Okay.
Plates, right?
Yeah, that's right. Firstly, I will recommend you. First, it is a sweet potato currently.
Okay.
Actually, it just appeared recently, but it's very confused when it's this.
I will try it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And yeah, this tomato and this
Okay.
in Korean, it is like the popular name in Korean.
If your name is not When
Yeah.
killed?
It's not because some of them will hide their name,
Oh.
and some of them will change the name.
Because they want their family name.
Yeah, yeah, pomelo, sweet soup,
Mm-hmm.
and it's a sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like a massive fan. I see. Yeah, and the yellow more is the bean. The eye to the sweet soup. We also eat in the summer.
Oh.
It's like a summer dessert.
Oh.
Yeah. It's real for the dead people. No, but you are more than 3. Take the food, yeah,
It's
to
okay.
almost 3 times, yeah. And then it is 4 times for me.
Oh.
Yeah, in Vietnam.
Oh, so I have to put 4?
Yeah. 1, yeah,
One.
is for dead people. 2 is for the human.
Human. And this is for the dog.
For dog. Yeah.
And this is for me.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oh.
Because if I travel alone, I can't learn Vietnamese culture, but you're the local here, so it's really nice that I can like learn from you.
And this food, if I was just alone, I couldn't find this place.
Yeah.
But
Just popular when you...
so this is for EXO.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's right. Đúng, người Hàn Quốc.
Dong. 네.
Người Hàn Quốc mean 한국 사람. Yeah.
So 한국 사람 같아요?
Yeah,
Like
that's
that?
right.
And it means you're so pretty.
Yeah, that's right.
I want to take a picture here. Uh-huh.
And yeah, now we will approach.
Trong phim này thì có điều gì đặc biệt đang chờ đón tất cả các quý khán giả tới với chúng tôi?
So I will recommend you patient with
I want to try this one.
yeah, okay.
Nhưng muốn nhìn nó không muốn nhìn tên lẻo ạ.
The sauce or the chili sauce.
Good if you put
Yeah,
salt.
I think so. Không quay lăn nữa. Nhiều quá. Oh my god. Không sao. It's salt.
Không việc gì.
Okay.
Anh đi ăn.
Yeah, so you can. Đây là bác còn nhận làm. Cháu muốn làm cho khách thì làm luôn bây giờ có được không? Thì tầm khoảng bao nhiêu? That you make the cake.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can put it and like make a. For this they're very famous for history things of Vietnam because it will be.
Oh.
That is also like a leisure activity.
Con trống chiếc mây vàng trời theo dây với vàng có con sẽ chỉ giữa dân quê.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
어디 기다려란 날마다 바보처럼